Hi, are you taking a math course soon? Are you feeling a little rusty with your mathematical abilities or just a little stressed? Consider trying ALEKS. ALEKS is an assessment and learning knowledge space. It is a web-based, artificially intelligent assessment and learning system. ALEKS uses adaptive questioning to quickly and accurately determine exactly what you, the student, knows and what you need to learn. ALEKS will then instruct you on the topics that you are most ready to learn. As you work through ALEKS, periodically it will reassess your skills to ensure that the topics are completely learned and are also retained. That way, when you enter your college course, you will feel confident in your mathematical skills and your abilities. To access ALEKS, you can Google ALEKS.com, and it will bring you to this sign-in page. To see what courses are available in ALEKS, click Higher Education. Once you've clicked on Higher Education, scroll down on the left-hand side, and you will see options for Higher Education, Math, and Statistics. Once you've clicked on that link, it will bring up opportunities and options for you to consider. By clicking on course offerings, you can see various selection of course opportunities that you can try. My suggestion is perhaps basic math if you feel very, very rusty, or pre-algebra if you have done math fairly recently but you need to brush up your skills. There's also the developmental math, the beginning and intermediate algebra. There's also higher level math that students are able to access and take as well. You can set up your own account by clicking on Independent Use and Homeschool. There's links for buying ALEKS right away. ALEKS is fairly inexpensive. It costs about $20 per month. And I would suggest you using ALEKS only for a couple month period to really brush up your skills right before you're going to be taking your online math course. If you want to take it longer, there are options, and it's a little less expensive, $100 for 6 months, or $180 for 12 months. But again, I would highly suggest, instead of having it for 6 months and letting it go by for a long period of time, to sign up only for a couple months right before your course is to happen, and to take only a couple months to really hit your material hard and really learn your material right before you have your scheduled class. ALEKS does provide a free trial where you're able to test it out. I would suggest this also. It gives you a wonderful feel for how the program works. This is an extremely thorough program that allows you to see immediately what you are struggling with, as well as what you have left to learn before the end of the course. If you are unsure about whether you'd like to try ALEKS or not, take a moment to read a few of the success stories, depending on which area of the country you're in. These success stories are wonderful testimonials of how effective the ALEKS program is in learning mathematics.